desk is already a mess. What is the purpose? The hell? Y'all, I'm sorry about the quality. I thought I wasn't gonna vlog today, but then I remember that I promised myself. Hang on. You just wait right there. Alright. As y'all saw, I was in the gym. The quality is kind of bad right now. I apologize because I wasn't gonna vlog today. But then I remembered that I made a promise to myself that I would vlog weekly. And I cannot break that promise to myself. If you watched my last vlog, then you know that I have been, like, my main goal for, like, the first quarter of the year pretty much is to, like, learn how to keep promises to myself, build really good habits so that I'm set for the rest of the year. I don't think I've ever explicitly said that, but I did mention, like, wanting to keep promises to myself, you know? So, oh my gosh, not my nail about to come off already. Child, what am I paying for? It was very hard to get up this morning, but I did it. I made it to class. And I showed up and showed out, okay? I really did the damn thing in there. I did as best as I could. It was a little rough at first, you know. So if you made some promises to yourself for this week, I'm not trying to be like a motivational speaker or anything, but you know, what am I doing if not at least encouraging my subscribers to be better? The 100 of you that are gonna actually watch this vlog. I'm just kidding. Why did you take me down this road? We could have went around. This is literally the worst road to go down. What the? God. Hey guys, I forgot I was supposed to be vlogging. I wanted to take you guys into the mall with me while I return my item, but I forgot. I've got so much going on today. that I just like, it's been slipping my mind. But you guys saw me building my desk earlier. I just wanted to get it done. Plus I was like working and like I was, you know, building the desk during meetings that I didn't really have to like, you know, engage in. By the way, y'all, this Nordstrom is so nice. I looked at it and I was like, oh my god, because you know where I come from, we have a Nordstrom. Like, let me not act like I'm not from freaking South Florida, Miami, and Fort Lauderdale, where there's rich people everywhere. But yes, a little recap of my day. So of course y'all saw I went to the gym this morning, came home, had to work. I also washed my hair, which y'all didn't really see, but I was in a rush trying to wash my hair, you know, before I had to start work, because I had already logged in. So I was just trying to do that quickly so I could get back to my work, you know. So, oh, okay, so starting with my home chef delivery. Okay, so this one is really crazy for me, because if you have been like keeping up with my vlogs for the longest, like, I mean, since I started doing vlogs, I mean, you probably didn't even catch this, but there was a point in time where I would order HelloFresh every week. Like, that was my meal prep. That was how I got my dinner, you know, for a while, and I was just paying for it. And I mentioned it in one of my videos, and I was like, hopefully they sponsor me one day. And I did apply for a sponsorship with them, and I got turned down. So which I was kind of expecting. It was when my channel was just kind of dead, you know, and now it's starting to get revived again, which is great. Yeah, so I mentioned that, you know, just kind of in passing, like, you know, shout out HelloFresh. If y'all see this, give your girl a sponsor, because I'm just promoting y'all for free. Fast forward to now, which is like 2 years later, I get a request from Home Fresh for a sponsorship, y'all, for a freaking sponsorship. I'm like, now, HelloFresh is the only like meal service that I've tried, but I'm open to trying them all. I just use them because I think I got like a huge discount on their first order or something like that. But Home Chef reached out to me, and I was looking at their stuff, and I was like, their food looks just as good. So let's try it. Let's try it out. I love meal delivery services, so if the food is good, which I'm sure it is, I have no issue promoting them. And yeah, so I just want to say, full circle moment, shout out to me for getting this sponsorship. Like, shout out to y'all for supporting me, because I couldn't do any of this without y'all. So yeah, I'm just so proud of myself. A little pat on the back moment, because I did not see that coming at all. Like, at all. Okay, so I have finished putting up my chair. I actually finished it hours ago, but I had to get back to work. Literally took out an hour of my day, just my lunch break basically, to like get the chair and put it together so that I could use it for the rest of the day. I'm not showing my face, by the way, because I look a mess, but yeah, look, it's super comfortable. Love it. I do wish that this was a brighter white. You can't tell in the camera, but it's more of like a off-white, like creamish kind of color. If I would have known it was going to be like that, I would have just got black, but it's fine. I'll work with it. Wish this was black, but whatever. I don't care. It's really comfortable, and I'm just really happy to finally have a chair and a desk. So yeah, and my desk is already a mess. It's been 48 business hours, and it's already a mess.